Hello children, welcome back to CK classes. Myself Punit CK, and today I came with a concept comes under 8th standard mathematics lesson 1 playing with numbers. The concept is letter for digits. So before I could go with about letter with digits, so let's briefly learn what actually the letters and digits and how they will interact with each other. Have two problematic situations here. You can observe here this problem contains what letters with digits. Here also you can find letter with digit. But two processes are taken here, addition process, there I have taken a multiplication process. Here, for what value of what x should be added for 3 to get 7? It's a simple equation. In the place of x, what digit might appear? So if you ask yourself, so if you keep on putting what value of x with certain different digits like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so one value it will be is going to balance it. Surprisingly, you might be already thinking what could x can make this what balance the problem. So in the place of x, if you take 4 plus 3, yes, 7. Yes, you got it. What about this one? Let's see. Again, you have to think in this way. What y make us to give 12? When you multiply y with 3, that should be 12. The answer is simple. That could be 4 itself. 4 into 3. This is 12. So these kind of things we can call them something called puzzles. What they are? Puzzles. Puzzles in the mathematics context, you can say the variables what there is, the letters what they are, they represent some digits. So that digits is a single digits there is. You must what find the value of those digits. It's just like a cracking a code. You can say the code had been given, you have to crack them. So by using certain mathematical process, that's what. And also in the entire what letter for digits, a puzzle's case, we stick to addition, subtraction, and multiplication process. So most cases I won't find division in there. Keep this stuff in your mind. Don't forget it. I just we stick to what addition, subtraction, and multiplication process. For in the case of what letter for digits. So now we will solve some different types of problems related to the what letter for digits puzzles, and most important thing is so after doing some what after solving some what problems you should do a small activity on this. So that's the reason you just watch this video without fail and try to what understand what actually the problem is going to tell you people. So now let me take this off. I'll take for problem 1 as 3 1q 3 1q 1q3 is equal to 501. So you have to add up them. So this is the problem I need to crack now. I should find the value of q with balance with 501. So before I could solve this problem, let me tell you the two rules. You can say you have to follow two rules to crack this code. So rule 1, you have to take a small note of this one. These two rules are important to crack a puzzle or a code. So rule number 1, each letter represents a single digit. This is very important one. You can't find a 2-digit number for a single letter. Rule 2, the first digit never be equal to 0. You can say the two rules. First letter, first digit never be equal to 0. You can't take find, you can't find like this. 0, 5, you cannot take it. 0, 6, 5, you can't take it because the first digit will be never equal to 0. And then also each letter represents single digit. You can say the digit starts from 0 to 9. You can say each letter should be appear from 0 to 9. You can't go beyond 9 and you can't come less than 0. So that's what a single represents, single digit represents. Keep this in your mind, these two what rules? Each letter represents single digit, and rule number 2, first digit never be equal to 0. So by using these two rules, let us crack this puzzle or code. So now 3 1 q. Now first I'll go for the ones position. In the ones what place there is 1. You can say ones place 1, tens place 0, and hundredth place is 5. Let me take the ones place number. So ones place number there is 1. Okay. So now for work I'll just say it's in equals, because when you do addition for q plus 3 you're going to get 1. That is q plus 3 equals 1. Now it's time to think some different possible values of q. So I can say you can take the digits for q from 0 to 9. 1 should satisfy with 1. So what should I add 3 to make it 1? Question number 1. Just I'll take 1 in the beginning. Just 1 plus 3, that could be never. You can say 1 plus equals 4. That is not equal to 1. What about 2? We take 2 plus 3, that could be 6, not 1. If we keep on counting like this, so 3 plus 3, no. 4 plus 3, no. 5 plus 3, no. 6 plus 3, no. 7 plus 3, no. 8 plus 3, there is a possibility. Let's see what is going to happen. Suppose if I take 8 here plus 3, so 8 plus 3 is 11. See now, the unit place number has been matched. Somehow you are cracking the code by using, you can say, trial and error. See, you went on trying to fix this problem. Finally you fixed it with 8 plus 3 unit place number is 1. Let's see how this puzzle has been solved. Suppose if I write like this, by using the value of q, what you find it? The value of q, you have just get it as 8. Let me write it. Let's see whether will I get it or not. So now 3 1 8. That's what you have taken. Q equals 8. Now in the place of q I'm writing as 8 1 8 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 carry. 8 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1, that could be 0. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 1, that could be one more carry. You can say 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 1 10. 0. 1 carry. The 3 plus 2 is 5. So somewhat we have cracked this code. Now it's time to write the conclusion. So now look at this one. I will round it off. The value of q is here as 8, as the value of q there is also still 8. So finally, therefore, the value of q should be equal to 8. So that's what you have cracked this code by using single digit. And want to observe this one, I'm using rule 1 here. The q, there are many, but you can say 18 plus 3 also will get 21. 18 plus 3 equals 21, but even though they get the ones digit as 1, but the rule 1 says the letters should be a single digit. We can say you can't get the 2-digit number as per the letters. That's why rules are very important to crack our puzzles, our codes. So let's take another example. Yeah, so I have written here something interesting one. So let's see how many of you get an idea. A plus A plus A is equal to 1 game. So how beautiful the code is, you see. So you have to crack this code. You have to take the same numbers to get the same result. So in mathematics, which are the numbers are helping us to when you have a number 3 times in a row, but you have to get the same result. Just no, just since you are solving some 2 to 3 problems, just I'll give the idea for this one. Just see now, there are 2 possible situations. So there are 2 possibilities. Now the one possibility is again 0 plus 0 plus 0. Can add 3 zeros, you get zeros. This is what small code you can observe this one. The 4 what A's in a row, the 4 zeros in a row. But 0 is not an answer because you got a 1 there. That's what you have to mainly, you have to recognize this concept. So then 0 is not possible. Then what else? So I'll just now 0 is, this is not possible, then I'll go for another technique. As I told, it's a trial and error technique. Let's go for this one. You can say 2 if I take it. 2, 2, 2. If you add this, you got 6. You don't get A back. 3, no. 4, no. 5, yes. Okay, this one. 5 plus 5 plus 5. You can say 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Yes. Hope you got the what? Hope you cracked this puzzle. So see now this seems similar. No, you can't find any variations in there. So A is 1A, 5, 5, 5, it's 1, 5. It's a simple, you can say, therefore the letter represented by the digit will be a 5. Therefore A equals 5. That's what you can write the what you can write the letters by using digits. So let me take some exercise 1.1 problems. It's 1.1, right? Just have a reader here. Yes, exercise 1.1. So I'll solve 3 to 4 problems by using that one. The remaining problem, just I'll send a one solving link via in the description or in the comment section. There you can see that the link has been provided to solve some problems. So I will send link via WhatsApp. So there also you could see the solution for the problems. So I'll take one problem to solve that one. The question goes like this. What the question? So they are given, find the values of letters. You need to find the values of letters. Each of the following and give reasons for the steps involved. So why you are choosing those what digits, you have to give the reason for this. So I'll take the first question as, so 3A, and say 3A plus 2, 5 is equal to B2. So how beautiful the what puzzle is. So now let's crack it. So after writing this one, we have to start to think. Always I'll just opt for the what first digit to place. So if you use the what ones digit, then you'll get an idea. The ones digit number could be 2. You got it? 2 when you have A with 5. So now I think you are starting, you just started to think. So what value of A should I take to add to 5 to get 2? And now 5 is greater than 2. Since 5 is greater than 2, you can't take the numbers like 5 plus 1, 2, 3 and all, you can't take it. So you should take the numbers much more than 5 itself, because that should be generate some carriage. Okay, let's see that one. 5 plus 6, 11. 5 plus 7, 12. Yes, somehow you got it. So you can say 7 plus 5 equals 12. It's balanced. The unit place number has been balanced. So I'm telling even you can take any number other than 7. The values will be different, and don't forget the rule 1. I'm telling take any numbers which That meant you have to choose the numbers from 0 to 9. You can't go beyond what 9 and you can't come down well by 0 or like these negative numbers. So now 7 plus 5 equals 12. I got it. I'll substitute here. So I'll use this as strategy to write. This is the reason I've taken. So 3 a equals what you have chosen here. A equals 7 you have taken. So 2, 5. So let me add it. 7 plus 5 is 12. You just take 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Now it's time to inspection. This is one other mathematical method to solve some problems called inspection. Now just inspect that to what situation and get the result. In the place of A, you have generated A equals what? 7. The importantly, now it's time to recognize B. So what could be the B then? The value of B is equal to 6. So A equals 7 and B equals 6. That's what you have cracked this code by using what? Your mind and calculations. So let me take another problem. So related to what? These are the what? Problems depend what sum problems or addition problems. Let me take one multiplication problem from the exercise. So then, I'll take 1a into a, 1a into a is equal to 9a. So we have to solve this one. This is a last one problem is solved, right? A plus a equals a. Now a into a will be a. So how many possible situations of a into a will be a? I'll start to write it in the first one. So a into a equals a. You can say a into a should be in place number as a. So I'll start with first one 0 into 0. That could be 0. If I use this one 1 0 into 0, 10 0 is a 0 you will get. You can say actually you have to get 2-digit number there. So that's just not possible. Then this is no, not at all possible. Let me choose another one. 1 into 1 equals 1. The second possibility, that is 1 into 1. 11 ones are 11, but actually you are 9 in the tens position. So but 1, even this is not possible. Let's see what next. 2, no. 2 to the 4 will get, but 2 will never repeat. Then if you go keep on doing like this, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16. I can say another one. The 5 into 5, that is 25. That might be helping us because your unit place number as 5, you got it. Use this one. I can say 5 into 5. So 15 5s are 75. So now these three balance. 5 5 5. Whether 9 is balancing? The answer is no. Even this is not possible. Then what's next? As we go for 6 into 6 is equal to 36. So let's see that's what is going to unit 6 and 6 and 6 there is. Let me put it here. Use this area. 1 6 into 6. 6 is 36. Or 6 and 6 are directly you can say 96. Hope you got the result. Look at this one. 6 6 6. And the place of 9 is matching. So finally, so this will give a balancing this one. So therefore, the value of A should be equal to 6, and even this is what they keep these ideas in your mind. This is very important thing. When you multiply 0 with 0, you'll get 0. 1 into 1, 1. 5 into 5, 5 in the unit place. 6 into 6, 6 in the unit place. These 4 different cases is helping us to crack this code 1A into A as 9A. So I will take another one, something is different one compared to the things. So copy them. I told no. you have to solve all the problem from that exercise. So I'll send some what notes for them. You have to copy from the what, you have to copy better, instead of copying, just try to what, crack those codes by using you what, some mathematical ideas will really help us, will make you what, engaging in what, a learning. And also they are interesting problems, you people will enjoy. uh, yeah, that's it. Now AB plus 3 7 is equal to 6A. So now usually all the problems I used to start from unit place. But if you can't find the what unit place number, since you got already A here, even if you try to what crack this code by the unit place, you may not get the result. So what should I do? So it's a very simple thing. So now I'll crack from the 10th position. So I can say, so I have A here, I had it with 3, I'll get 6 as an answer. So first let me predict the possible value of A now. Just put 3 this side. Therefore A is equal to certain 6 minus 3. That is A could be equal to 3. So it's one cases. Let me is equal to A. Let me say A equal to 3. Let me write the situation. What is going to happen for this one? If I write 3 B 3 7 equals 6 3. This was a situation now. So there is a plus. When you crack what the value of A equals certain 3. So now for what value of B, make it what, for you have to choose the value of B. That value should be added with 7. That answer should be equal to 3. So now I'll just give a 1 plus 7 8, 2 plus 7 9, 3 plus 7 10, 4 plus 7 11, 8 plus 7 is 5 plus 7 is 12 and 6 plus 7 is 13. So the value of B certain 6 if you imagine. So 3 6 3 7 6 3. So now look at this one, 6 plus 7. 7 plus is 13, 1 carry. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, that should be 7, what, 73, not 63. So that most cases A equals not 3. Even if you crack that A equals 3 also, that what the number has not been balanced. So what else? Though this is not possible values, then I can opt for this one. What is going to happen? Since A equals 3, you got it. This 3, I'll take 1 as a carry. I'll represent the sign by 2 plus 1. So I can say I1 I consider as a carry. If I take 1 consider as a carry, look at this one. If A equals 2, how is going to be balanced? So if I write like this, 2B plus 3 7 6 2. Again possible values of B, just how you have chosen, same type you have choose. So 1 you add to 7, 8 you will get it. 2 you add to 7, 9 you will get, 3 add to 7, 10, 4 you add to 7, 4 plus 7 11, 5 plus 7 12. Okay, so 5 plus, I can say in the place of B should be equal to certain 5. Then becomes what? 2 5 3 7. You can say 2 5 3 7 6 2. Let's see whether it's balancing or not. 5 plus 7, they can say in the place of, they can say 2 and 2 should be common. 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 12, 1 is remain, 3 plus 2 5 or 6 is balancing. So now just almost you crack this code by using reversing the word process. Instead of what unit digits, now you are using the tens position. So just I'll round it off and I'll conclude that test with respect to this problem. So you can give a link from here to there. See now I'm cracking. Now in the place of A, what do you have here? 2. In the place of A, again 2. Now it's time to find the value of b. So I'll use a box for this. Yeah. So therefore, the value of a should be equal to 2 and the value of b is equal to what? 5. A equals 2 and b equals 5. So finally, so I am finishing this video by solving 3 what exercise problems. So there are still 7 what exercise problems. So try to solve those problems. If you are unable to solve those problems, please send me via what the problems which are the problems you are not what understood, or which are the problems you cannot be solved properly, or you can what contact me via WhatsApp or somewhere else, and also I'll send some answers for those questions. You can get a note, and last 3 problems you just consider as an activity. Question number 8, 9 and 10. So those activity problems should be solved in the activity book. 7 problems in the notes and last 3 problems in the activity book. Thank you.